Getting a mortgage can feel overwhelming. There's paperwork, financial reviews, and plenty of real estate jargon that might sound intimidating if you're going through it for the first time. But here's the good news: when you break the mortgage process into simple steps, it becomes much easier to understand, and much less stressful to navigate. In this video, we'll walk through the 5 key steps to getting a mortgage, from pre-approval all the way to closing. By the end, you'll know exactly what to expect and how to prepare for each stage. Step 1. Pre-approval. The very first step in the mortgage process is pre-approval. This is where your lender takes a close look at your financial picture, your income, your credit score, your savings, and your debts. Based on that information, they'll tell you how much you may be able to borrow. Think of pre-approval as your financial roadmap. It gives you a realistic price range so you know what you can afford before you even start house hunting. And here's why it matters: pre-approval also shows sellers that you're serious. In a competitive housing market, a pre-approval letter can make your offer stand out from others. Step 2. House hunting. Once you know your budget, you can begin the fun part: house hunting. Armed with your pre-approval, you'll avoid wasting time looking at homes outside your price range. Instead, you'll shop smart and focus on properties that truly fit your financial comfort zone. This step is about more than just browsing listings online. It's about finding the right home for your lifestyle and long-term plans. Do you need extra bedrooms? A good school district? Space for a home office? With your budget in mind, you can search with confidence and avoid falling in love with a home that doesn't fit your finances. Step 3. Application. Once you've found the home you want, it's time to apply for the mortgage. During this stage, your lender collects all the important details about your finances: pay stubs, bank statements, tax returns, and employment history. Yes, it can feel like a lot of paperwork, but providing complete and accurate information makes the process smoother and faster. Remember, the goal is to show the lender that you're financially prepared to take on a mortgage. Step 4. Processing and underwriting. This part happens mostly behind the scenes, but it's one of the most important steps. Once your application is submitted, the lender begins processing and underwriting. Think of the underwriter as the final decision maker. Their job is to confirm that you'll be able to repay the loan comfortably and that the home is worth the purchase price. This stage can take some time, so patience is key, but rest assured, it's all moving you closer to your new home. Step 5. Closing. Finally, we arrive at the closing. This is the finish line of the mortgage process. At closing, you'll sign the official paperwork, pay any final closing costs, and receive the keys to your new home. It's the moment when all your preparation pays off and homeownership becomes a reality. Final thoughts. At Approvals on Demand, our goal is to make this journey as smooth and stress-free as possible. We guide you step by step, from pre-approval to closing, with expert support at every stage. Sparkles: buying a home is one of the biggest financial commitments you'll ever make, but with the right guidance, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Visit ApprovalsOnDemand.com today to start your homeownership journey with confidence.